on, I put his stand on the sand.
That sound.
Wash your feet and then put the Crocs on.
Jacob, don't. Don't.
Honestly, you didn't have fun with everybody doing.
Okay.
What if you're clean now?
Look, stand there.
No.
Yes.
No.
You'll get very clean.
I'll get clean. I will. You give me a shower.
Yep. So stand there.
No.
Yes.
Nope.
You got to be fine.
No.
Yes. You'll get ice cream from it if you do it.
Ice cream.
Yep. Oh wait, be ice cream water. Your ice cream will be water.
Mm.
Oh man. They're all clean.
What do you think?
Right, stand there. Step up there.
Is it cold?
Wonder what it says. Dun, dun, dun.
Enjoying that? Must be nice in there. Is it nice and cold?
Oh, careful.
It's got to be right in front of you. I am.
Careful, because it'll be
See
slippy.
you
It'll
there.
be slippy.
See you there. Again.
Oh, your Croc's about to go down the river.
That was how it meant to go.
Come on, let's go back these steps. It's in the middle.